Hello, beautiful soul. Do you feel tired, exhausted, and in need of a good rest? Today, I'm going to talk to you about three signs of burnout and how to recover. I've got my notes in front of me, so if I look down, that's why. So nowadays, everyone seems to be running on empty. We all feel a little bit depleted. We all feel like we don't have enough energy for the things that we used to have energy. We don't even have enough energy for even the people that we used to have enough energy for. And this is because we definitely doing too much. Maybe not physically, but sometimes mentally or emotionally, there is a sense of exhaustion. So the first sign of burnout is like constant exhaustion. Even after a good night's sleep, you still feel like you haven't had enough rest. You still feel like, oh my God, I don't know, I need to have 5 cups of coffee or tea, whatever you normally prefer to have, but still didn't have the energy that you used to have. Now, this is an indication that, you've been taking on too much and you need to give yourself some space to recover and come back to yourself. And one way to recover is to just prioritize rest. It's maybe you think like, oh, I have rested enough, but the body says that no, it's not enough. And that's why you feel constantly so tired. You constantly feel like you're dragging your body, you constantly feel like, oh my gosh, how am I going to do this task, task? How am I going to show up for this person or the other person? So it's prioritizing rest more than anything and taking more breaks between tasks. Sometimes we feel like we have to be go, 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 because otherwise we're not going to be efficient. The to-do list is like never ending. It's like this long and this wide. And then we like, when do we have time for ourselves? So of course we are very, very depleted. Another thing that um, I can suggest, which I actually did it for myself just 3 hours ago, I felt like you, like really burnt out and not enough energy and not enough stamina and not enough fire in my belly. And I knew I had to do something. Rest wouldn't just cut it out for me this time. So what I did, I went and I had an IV drip with multivitamins, and it's been only 72 hours, but I actually do feel like my energy coming back. I'm starting to get stronger from within. And when I woke up this morning, I actually felt a little bit like, oh, I do feel like more like myself. So if you know someone, there are so many places you can have the IV drip. If you live in London or outside London, please feel free to get in touch with me. I have someone that I can recommend for you. The second sign of burnout is just feeling disconnected and numb, feeling like, there is no motivation and there is no joy and there is nothing that makes you feel alive. And you feel like, nothing piques your interest, not nothing that it used to. It doesn't seem to work in the past. And the way to come back to yourself is to connect to your feelings, connect to your body. The body is so intelligent. We don't give the body that much credit as it deserves, because the body is constantly telling when we're tired, it's just a feedback, that we need to rest. We need to do something else. We need to change our surroundings. We need to maybe clear the space around us because there's too much information around us. And the subconscious mind, the conscious mind can say, I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered about all this, mess around and visual noise around me. But the subconscious mind, is like, no, I'm absorbing everything and it's draining me. So please do something about it. So how to, come back to yourself is notice how you spend your day. Notice what's draining your energy, what's depleting your tank, and notice what actually helps to fill up your tank and makes you feel like yourself. So notice how you spend the day and start by prioritizing doing things that high in your values. This method is actually from Dr. John DeMartini. If you don't know him, please look him up. It's actually when we prioritize things that are high in our values, we have more energy rather than doing things that are low in our values. It makes us, it depletes our energy. And number three is irritability and overwhelm. You know, snapping more easily, noticing that, sometimes someone says something to you and you just snap out, like completely, because you feel like, oh, they're attacking you and they're triggering you, whereas actually there's nothing to do with them. It's just you can't take it anymore. And again, this is a way to recover, is that simply just to do less, for a period of time. Choose to make your to-do list smaller and just simply prioritize and do the things that need doing and leave the rest for later. Because when we're really tired, I noticed this with myself. I'm not going to do quality work. I'm just going to do quantity. I'm just going to make sure that I run through everything on my list and I just tick it off my list. But it's not quality. That's definitely because I don't have the strength. I don't have the energy to do it. And you might be the same. So just, doing less things, because burnout happens actually when we do more than we normally can do. It's like when we have more things on our plate than we can digest. So paying attention to those things. Yes, so this is what I have for you today. I hope you found it helpful, and probably this is a good space and time for me to introduce myself. I'm Karina, meditation teacher, inner work coach, energy healing facilitator, and tarot advisor. And I work with women from all over the world and help them come back to themselves and get to know themselves and know how to prioritize themselves and how to listen to their inner guidance and intuition. If you feel like you want to work with me, feel free to reach out to me. You can have a free discovery call. I'm going to leave the link in the show notes below. Or for any other question, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you, and wishing you a beautiful and blessed day. Bye for now.